Why confined spaces are danger zones for flammable atmospheres. Confined spaces are ideal breeding grounds for flammable atmosphere accumulation because they're enclosed, gases and vapors can't escape naturally, they accumulate and concentrate. Poor ventilation. Without forced ventilation, flammable substances build up to dangerous concentrations. Multiple sources. In confined spaces, you often have multiple potential sources of flammable vapors simultaneously. Ignition sources present. Workers bring electrical tools, use torches for cutting, create friction, carry lighters or matches. Ignition sources are common. No escape. If an explosion occurs, workers are trapped in the blast. Real-world examples of flammable atmosphere disasters. Example 1. Sewer explosion. A maintenance crew enters a sewer to clear a blockage. They didn't test the atmosphere. Methane has built up from decomposing material. One worker's portable radio sparks. Boom, explosion. 3 workers die. One survives with severe burns. This happens. It's preventable with atmospheric testing. Example 2. Gasoline tank explosion. A tanker truck is being cleaned after transporting gasoline. Workers believe the tank is empty and safe. They begin hot work, cutting, welding to remove rust. Residual gasoline vapor ignites. Explosion. The tank ruptures.